Let's talk about the latest launch Nothing Smartphone CMF Phone 2 Pro with sleek edges design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.77 inches Full HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1080 by 2392 pixels, approximately 387 ppi pixel density, 3000 nits peak brightness, HDR10 plus color quality support, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Panda Glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 24mm wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.88, along with 50 megapixel 50mm 2x optical zoom telephoto camera with aperture 1.85, and with 8 megapixel 15mm ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2 and LED flash. For selfies it has 16 megapixel 22mm centered punch hole wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.45, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Nothing OS 3.2 screen on top. The device, and the company provides up to 3 years of major Android upgrades and up to 6 years of security patches updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.5 GHz quad-core Cortex A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro, 4nm chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB of hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 78 by 7.8 mm, and it weighs around 185 grams, and the color options, white, black, light green, orange colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33-watt wired flash fast charging, 5-watt reverse wired charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under display, fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, with mono 150% ultra volume speaker support, USB Type-C charging port, a new button on the side of your device. Press once to capture the content on your screen, or long press to record your voice, ideas, and inspirations on the go, IP54 dust and splash resistant, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The CMF Phone 2 Pro has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 18,999 Indian rupees, while 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 20,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this CMF Phone 2 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.